There were times my baby kept hiccuping, and I was so worried. I thought something was wrong, but actually, hiccups in newborns are very normal. They often happen when babies feed too fast, swallow too much air, or their diaphragm is still immature. Whenever my baby hiccups, I just do 3 things. Help the baby burp after feeding. Hold the baby upright for a few minutes. Gently pat the baby's back. And just like that, the hiccups stop, and my baby smiles again. Only if hiccups come with heavy coughing, vomiting, or trouble breathing should you take your baby to the doctor. Every mom feels worried at first, but these little tricks make it easier. If you found this helpful, give it a like, save it, and share with other moms.